that
Rocky
happens.
Rani kind of also changed that approach the industry had.
It has, but Rocky Rani again put me in a box with. But then I tried to change that with Dabba Cartel, and
Yes.
Web gives me more of an opportunity to show my range.
Dabba Cartel was very good.
Dabba Cartel was there. Raj Jawan hai was, I think, my favorite project that I've been a part of has been Raj
Okay.
Jawan. Have you seen that show?
No, I haven't
You
seen
must
it.
watch it. It's my favorite part. It's written so well. Sumit Vyas directed it. Me, Barun Sopti, Priya Bapat. We are three of our best friends in the show.
Oh yes, this
That
is the
one.
parents one.
Yes, the
Oh, I'm
parents
sorry, I
one.
forgot
Yeah,
the
yeah,
name.
yeah.
But I have seen that.
Yes, and I love that show. I think it's the best show ever. It's like my Indian equivalent of Schitt's Creek. I love it, and yeah, like I can show my range into those characters because I'm not a fat girl in those parts, you know.
Right.
But again, this is more massy, you know. When coming on screen and coming on 70 is more massy, and it has to. The big change needs to come there, and आएगा, मैं हूँ ना.
But धर्मा फिल्म का टैग लगने से कुछ नहीं होता.
होता है.
Okay.
But I'm not the quintessential heroine ना.
Right.
तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. ना ही मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ, ना ही मेरे में कोई प्लसेस नहीं है. प्लस एक ही है कि मुझे काम आता है, बट माइनसेस बहुत सारे हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू पीपल. तो कोई बात नहीं, आई विल फोर्स देम टू कास्ट मी because I'll be so good and I'll be such a good person and I'll be such a good actor and I'll be such a good performer and I'll have so much love that they will have to cast me.
Absolutely.
That is my goal now.
And I'm very sure that will definitely happen. But also tell me one thing, so how much are you in touch with Alia and Ranveer also after Rocky Rani? You have become great friends and all?
I am most in touch from that film with Shabana ji because
Okay.
I've worked with her in 3
Dabba
projects
Cartel
now,
also you have worked.
like a Shabana favorite. So no, I'm just so lucky I get to breathe the same air as her, let alone be in the same frame. But yeah, so Shabana ji I'm most in touch with. But apart from that, I think Ranveer here and there, but Alia and I have not been in touch itna.
Okay.
But because we didn't have that many scenes together,
Right.
Ranveer and I spent a lot more time. I miss Jaya ji because I can't be like Jaya ji ka number chahiye, I want to message her, but I love her. She's so funny. I miss being around her. Me, Ranveer and Jaya ji have had a blast once. We had dinner together and it was great at her house and it was amazing. And yeah, Ranveer and he keeps seeing whatever is happening and he keeps messaging me here and there after Dhurandhar, or we meet at a friend's wedding or something like that. We've had a great time. Last time we met at a friend's wedding and we were singing with AP Dillon and it was a good time.
Amazing. Also, if I'm not wrong, 2017 it all started for you?
Yes.
So almost a decade
Almost
now.
a
Next
decade.
year
I'm on
you
my
finish
10th
10
year,
years.
yeah.
And I want to understand from you, in these 10 years, how much has the approach towards the craft changed, firstly? And secondly, if you have to tell me about one of the toughest decisions you've had to make in these 10 years.
The toughest decision was to keep going.
Okay.
Post-COVID was to keep going because I was seeing such films come out and I'm like, if this is okay, then मैं तो ठीक हूँ यार, I'm fine. And if they're allowing films like these and actors like these to act, and I'm like, फिर तो हम यहाँ पे क्या ही कर रहे हैं? And I'm like, there is a lot of mediocrity also happening because अगर कोई अच्छी body वाला है, doesn't mean, my one friend called me up the other day who's skinny, supermodel, and she's like, Anjali, पतले होके भी कुछ नहीं उखाड़ लिया मैंने, it's okay, you're doing great, don't stress over it, So there are so many people who are insecure even when they are perfect, so that insecurity runs through every person, that anxiety and insecurity सबको feel होती है.
True.
So just to keep going and to keep taking these punches on your chin and just keep standing. Like, Stallone said that it doesn't matter how many times you get hit, it's how many times you get up and keep moving.
Right.
So you keep fighting, you keep swimming. And there are all kinds of films, there are all kinds of actors, people get more opportunities, some people get less, but I think I'll take the slow route, but I'll take the right route. I will not do anything that I am a very aloof actor. I don't know anybody. I don't know what's happening in the industry. I don't know किसको क्या काम मिल रहा है, कैसे मिल रहा है, क्यों मिल रहा है. मुझे अपना काम जब तक मिल रहा है मैं खुश हूँ.
And what's happening next?
Next, I'm reading. I'm seeing what I can do next because I want to see what Dhamal does for me first.
Okay.
I want to see, how it changes the mindset, or if it does, I want to see that. I want to see and then make a decision.
Well, Anjali, I have to say, when life gives you lemons, you're making one hell of a lemonade.
Thank you.
With that, thank you so much for talking to us. It was a pleasure, and I'm very sure Dhamal is going to change the game.
Yeah, I hope. Please watch, okay?
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.